Well, good day everyone. Hope all is going well. Today, back out in the big empty field again, and we're just going to exit the vehicle. I got a part to change on the van here. I'll get you outside. I guess I better grab my phone. Got you set up on there as well. What we're going to do here today is get you in my back pocket. I'm going to get you set up. We've been having an issue here with the van not starting properly now and then, and I think it may be changed a lot of parts on this, and I just ordered a new air map sensor. So we're going to end up changing that. I got to pull the air breather off, and it's in this part of the air breather in the back side of it. So I'll have to pull this all apart. I'll have to go to the back, get some tools. The way it's been acting, it almost seems like it's not getting fuel, or it's not getting enough spark. Now, I don't know. I'll have to Google it and check it out, but somewhere along the line that's happening. It's 25 to 3 right now. If I can get this part changed out here fairly quick. I'm having another issue with one of my breakers kicking out on my for my Bluetooth, for my DC to DC, and if I go to travel or go anywhere, I only drive 5 minutes or so, and I don't know if it's overpowering and it's kicking one of the breakers out, the power coming in. So I got to figure out what's going on with that, and I'll have to take a rundown of my trailer, see if I can find I think I have an extra BT-2 module, and if I do, then I'll hook it up and see if that's my issue. But put yous on pause here for a moment, and I'm just going to go grab my toolbox. I'll be right back. See if this is running again here. All right, I think we got you going again. Not 100% sure. I got to get this thing figured out. It's not showing up on my screen, so I'll be right back. All right, I don't know what's going on here, but we're having some technical difficulties. We're having technical difficulties with with my phone and my camera here. I gotta get a heavier stand. Don't fall over, I'll be right back. All right, we just had to disconnect the, or shut the breakers off inside the van. Pulled the ground off, and hopefully that's gonna be good. Now, find my ratchet again. I'll be back again. This is a little piece that we need. All right, hopefully still recording. The screen has went dark. The joys. I forgot I gotta pull all this crap off. Supposed to be doing this over at my friend's place, but they're out doing some stuff today. That wind is getting nasty. Might end up, maybe I don't have to pull that all off. I don't know what happened with the phone here. I was able to see is now I'm not. If I don't have to pull everything out, it'd be nice. Should just go get my drill. Gotta find out what's, I'm hoping this is what's making it hard on fuel. There's one, another one. And the last little while, the last 2 years, I've changed the spark plugs, I put new plugs in, new coils, new injectors. I've done lots of work to this year to try to get the fuel mileage really good. Some days I drive along and I can get now there again, I go by miles per gallon. Gotta see if we can pop that off. Well, there's the unit in here. That's a part down in here that I need to change. Hope there's nothing wrong with these two wires. Anyway, be right back. All right, we got you figured back out here again. Anyway, had to watch a video and didn't realize I had to push down on this here. They don't show much too much for the E250. They show you how to clean it. This thing just pops out. So what we need to do is we got, oh, there's two weird looking screws in there. Hopefully I can get them out. And yeah, I don't know if the camera's picking up, probably. Anyway, that's the part in here that we've got to change. And let's check to see if the new one is the same. Well, it looks pretty close to identical. So that's got to go this way, so the air goes in that way. So let's see if we can get those two screws out. I'll bring you over here. Just hope that get you brought down. This isn't an educational video at all, because half the time I never know what I'm doing anyway. Their torque. That one. Watch it be a special size or something that I won't be able to. Oh, we got her. We got her. Now, just take that off. Oh, like I said, what did I said? Yeah. A lot of times, none of these videos that I do are educational. And this one here looks like it's still the original. So, and now my van has got 305,000 on it. Imagine that. So there's the old one. The blower goes up to the front. Here's the new one. They kind of look the same. We hope they are. Just get everything back in here without stripping anything. The van lately has been, well, when I had all the issues with it, not wanting to start right, and with that the fuel tank and all that stuff, that was a little frustrating. But there, we got the new one in. It's heading the right way. Back up here, we'll pop this back in. Just got to make sure we get her in the right spot. Oh, popped in. That's lined up. I had an outfit on here. Well, that's clipped back in. Put this back over. I had this performance chip supposed to be hooked back up, but the wires look fine. We're going to cross our fingers that everything is fine in there. Oh. All right, I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. Well, I was talking to my buddy. He's going to be pulling in here any moment with his Camaro. Hopefully you guys can see me here. So we're going to get this tightened up. I got it back into place. I just got to stick the hose on this side. Should have sprayed. Oh, here he comes with his Camaro. I'm hoping this will make a difference, and I'm going to keep the two little clips I have that I had on for that outfit here this year, the performance chip, and I'm going to be looking for one that I can plug in under my dash. So you guys know this fella coming up here behind me, Lenny. So I was supposed to go to his house, but I ended up here and doing this job. Good evening, sir.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, smile, you're on camera.
Yeah.
Hide behind me, and now you can see if you're not, you're hiding there. That's where you want to be, right? Yeah.
Don't want to break your camera.
Don't want to break the camera. Yeah, the outfit's behind here. I got to pop this off once I pull the plug. Then this section comes out. Just 2 screws, and that's the air map sensor. So I'm saying after 305,000, I think it's probably done.
There's really nothing dirty in it.
No,
say it's
no. My last trip there, I was just telling my subscribers here that down to 14 miles to the gallon, that trip that I did. So there's definitely something not right somewhere, and hopefully this will, but after 305 everything starts to go. So there. I think I'm going to need a new filter though. That could be a lot of my issues here too. It's getting plugged up pretty good. We got bumblebees in there.
still see through.
Yeah. There's a lot of I think that's the issue. Is a lot of fine dust, a lot of bugs. Yeah. Throw it back in there. I took my my performance chip off. Not that it was, I don't think it was really doing anything. There we go. Anyway, I'll be back. Alrighty, everyone. Well, this is a trial. We'll see if it'll fire up. Hopefully. Can we get a clear prop? Fired up pretty good. Take a walk by the tailpipe to see if I got that strong smell. Because the last little while it's been real strong. No strong smell. Every time I started it would stink. Well, anyway, folks, I think we got the problem fixed. Now I'm going to put this back on. I'm going to hang on to it though. Like I said, I may buy one and stick under the dash instead of hooking to these wires. I go to the air map sensor. Anyway, I think that'll be it for today. Like I said, it's not an educational video. It's just a video. Me doing my silly things. Anyway, hopefully this runs. I'll let you know in the next one. Bye for now. Well, I'm back again. Just pulled out onto the highway from where I was parked, out of the big field, and van started up nice. I think you guys seen that on video here. And anyway, I just want to say the throttle response is a lot better. I'm hoping now that my fuel mileage comes back up. But oh yeah, what a difference in fuel, or not fuel, but well, yeah, the fuel response. You step on it and it goes. It's a lot snappier. So anyway, I'm just heading to Tim Hortons here to meet my friend. And when he popped over, he said, well, coffee time. And yeah, okay, we're heading for coffee. So anyway, like I said there before, this will be the end for it, the second end for this video. But anyway, if you enjoy watching these silly videos, give me a thumbs up, push subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and see when your next, or when the next video is. And like I said, I want to thank all my new subscribers and all the old subscribers that follow along. In the last week, I've come up quite a bit here, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And just want to send out a bunch of love there. Thank you very much for all the views. And please leave a comment. I've answered every single one since I started my YouTube channel, and if possible, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of these non-educational videos that I'm doing. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Take care, and have a great day.